Leo, this is your channel messages for the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, I was getting something about wedding vows. I'm getting the wedding vow. All right, so I'm getting you're writing your wedding vows or something about your getting married, Leo. Congratulations, okay? Yeah, so I'm getting the wedding vows and this is your channel song. Lately you've been questioning if I still see you the same way, 'cause through these trying years we both physically change. Don't you know you'll always be the most beautiful man that I know? So let me reassure you, darling, that my feelings are truly unconditional. Leo, I love you when your hair turns gray, and I still want you if you gain a little weight. And boy, the way you feel, it's how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change. No, I was meant for you and you was meant for me, and I'll make sure that I'll be everything you need. And boy, the way we feel, it's how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change. Hey, Leo, I love you till your hair turns gray, and I still want you if you gain a little weight. And boy, the way I feel is how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change. The wedding vows, Leo. So I'm getting, are you including that in your wedding vows? I'm getting you promise to love somebody when their hair turns gray, right? When the hair upon them balls gray, you will still love them, okay? You will love them if they gain a little weight. If they gain a lot of weight, you will be in the gym with them if they feel insecure. I just want you to know that Leo wants you to know that no matter what, their love will never change for you. Which is pretty weird, because a Leo love usually changes. It changes like the sun. And as soon as a Leo don't feel appreciated, they usually look for attention elsewhere. Nevertheless, I don't know what kind of Leo you deal with. They must be a fucking good Leo placement. But I'm getting, yeah, someone loves it till their hair turns gray. And I'm getting, if you're a Leo and your hair already gray, that's hot. That's hot as fuck. You graduated to being a zaddy and you're not even a zaddy yet. You didn't even make it to daddy. No, you're a zaddy with that gray hair. Oh. I love you when your hair turns gray, and I still want you if you lose a little weight. And we're talking about gaining weight. Some of them, man, they come in a relationship and them get maga your blood, maga down the blood clot, like me. So we can say that too. Yes, you may gain weight, this is true, but I still want you if you lose a little weight. And boy, the way I feel, it's how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change. As long as your love don't change, I'm getting you good. So what you're worrying? You're worrying about if you're too tall, you're too short, if you're too fat, if you're too skinny. Why you don't worry about being loyal? I feel like you're scared that someone's going to cheat on you. And I don't know why you fear that. You might fear that because you're insecure. Or you fear that because of someone's past. Now, if someone has a cheating past, I don't know why would you turn that into a house commodity, okay? You trying to turn the whore into the housewife instead of getting a wife and fucking her like a whore in the house? Don't know, right? Me getting you scared, you feel like somebody gonna cheat. Me getting you know, it's like this girl gonna cheat on me, this girl gonna cheat on me, this girl gonna cheat on me. You keep saying that. Why are you in love with a cheater? Maybe you insecure. This could be the reason, okay? Maybe, I feel like if you're more saying this girl going to break up with me, she going to break up with me, she going to break up with me, that's more to believe, Leo. People don't just randomly leave you. You're acting like people just randomly get up one day and you never had no, I saw no signs. I didn't see any sign coming. You act like you didn't see no sign coming. Anyways, she'll love you till your hair turns gray, and he will love you if you gain a little weight, and the way you feel, it's how it's gonna be. So Leo, I hope your feelings never changed, because mine did not. Let's go. We have the King of Cups coming out first. I'm getting Cancer in Venus. So I'm getting your Venus energy is very open, it's very strong, it's very so powerful, so strong, so sedated. Your Venus energy is very open for love. I'm getting you very vulnerable with your emotions right now. This could be because you're saying your wedding vows, or you're writing your wedding vows, or you're thinking about this wedding you're about to put yourself through. We have the Queen of Wands. I'm getting something about this Queen. So if you're a Leo, I'm getting is your counterpart. I'm seeing King of Cups here, so you might be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Sun, Moon. But I'm getting you will marry this Leo woman. Alright? The Sun card. I'm getting she pregnant also. I'm getting a Leo. I'm getting this Leo woman is pregnant. I'm hearing your sister is pregnant. Congratulations if your sister is pregnant. I'm getting she pregnant. Maybe that's why you're gonna marry her. No, this could be the only reason why you married somebody was because they got pregnant. And you didn't want your baby out of wedlock. So I'm getting you very happy, or this woman is very happy with you. You keep her say she gonna cheat on you. Just because she look nice, she dress nice, she smell nice, and she's everything every man ever dreamed and want, it does not mean she's gonna cheat on you. Maybe you're the one who she teams for, okay? So I'm getting she pregnant, or I'm getting you just very happy with her. The Seven of Swords. Okay, so the happiness turned off and theft turned on. Me getting something about this baby, she don't tell you something about this child. So I'm getting you stole something from this woman, the woman stole something from you. It has something to do with a baby. So it's either the woman was never married, that child came from the nursery of a hospital, from a mother who was told her baby died, or me getting something about she steal some identity issue. You're with this girl and you find pictures of her from her past. Me getting she go by a different name or just a different identity. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, baby, this is the person's identity she's using. Me getting something about the Queen of Wands stole something from a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. Maybe she tried to steal her happiness. Maybe you were supposed to marry the Queen of... You're supposed to marry the earth sign, but the fire sign was more on your ass than the earth sign. The earth sign is more reserved and humble, and she won't talk to you. The fire sign will be like, when are you going to do this? When are you going to get me my ring? When are you going to propose? The earth sign will be like, you propose when you feel ready. That's it. No pressure. So I'm getting, maybe you was trying to take this man from this earth sign. You know this earth sign is supposed to be with this man. You're running. I'm getting... You slept with him, you made sure him came inside of you because you get pregnant. Maybe you were trying to steal someone's destiny. The man will still left you and fuck on you. You know that. You should know that. So before you run past a girl for trying to steal her destiny, car man and get pregnant for your man still can left you while you're pregnant and fuck her. The three of, yeah, me getting something about all women. Apparently everybody's supposed to be pregnant and in a relationship except you, because you're the hottest one of the group. So I'm getting, I'm not sure if this is supposed to make you question your looks, but we're getting all of the ugly girls them around you have man or them have baby. You don't. And the girls may be asking you, why is it that you don't have a baby? Why you don't have a boyfriend? It's because unlike y'all, I have very high standards, even though I live in a very low income tax bracket. I have very high standards. That's why I'm single. Maybe that's what it is. But I'm getting, you were supposed to be with the King of Cups. Or Leo, you claim say you're gonna love somebody till them hair turn grey. I'm getting as soon as the woman hair start turn grey, you don't want her no more. I'm meeting someone as a baby, somebody stressed the fuck out and know them hair turn grey, you don't want her, she look old. Apparently you look younger than your wife, you look younger than your baby mother. Some argument like that. But I'm also getting a lot of women is around this. I'm getting a lot of women being around this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. So maybe this is the woman you were supposed to marry. Maybe you were bullied out a bit or you felt a certain type of way, all because of the fact that maybe she never looked like you. Maybe she was hurt. I don't know. Me getting. Maybe I got this woman pregnant to get back at this earth sign. To embarrass her in front of our friends them. But me getting the woman you got pregnant is not even the woman you want to marry. Me getting you want to marry she. You entertain a lot of women over here. You have a baby mother over here, or you just get a woman pregnant over here. That's not who you want to marry. No, I don't know what you're doing, because why would you say to yourself, I want to be a married man, I want to be a married woman, but you allow yourself to get pregnant. You allow a man to get you pregnant, you allow a woman to get pregnant by you. You claim you want to be a husband. Who are you going to be a husband to now? Are you like another woman? Are you like, oh, I guess the Queen of Wands was the most desperate one for your attention to have a baby for you. So she had a baby for you. And I don't know what the fuck you're doing with this child either. Because I'm getting you're going to leave her, you're going to take the child and you're going to give it to the next woman who you're with. Now we have a Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have 3 of Cups, 3 women. And we have a Queen of Swords. Again, a lot of women. I don't know if you're dating around. I'm getting you to tell all these women that you want to marry them, Leo. You don't want to marry them. Actually, you might have already been happy in a relationship already with this fire sign. I'm getting you with this, your counterpart. Or I'm getting something about you are not a... I'm getting you might be a Leo, but you don't identify with the sun. You identify with the water. I'm getting you're a very emotional Leo. You can't say no to a woman. Or me getting you have a baby mother over here, plus you have them girl you're entertaining on your phone, plus you just start talk to she, but a she you want. You cannot have it all, Leo. At some point, winter going to come, whether you're shining or not. You're the Fool card. I'm getting all of these women going to abandon you. I'm getting you're supposed to be married. That's what you were supposed to be doing. That's what your life's supposed to be lived right now. Because somebody vowed to you, them said them are going to love you till your hair turn grey. Them said them are going to love you if you gain or lose weight. But I'm getting you're too busy trying to figure out which woman will worship you the most. Which woman loves me the most? The one that loves me the most will have my baby. Great. And the man who loves me the most will spend the most money on me. Stupid. Fucking stupid. I had high hopes for this reading. We got cuddle. Okay, now you want cuddle. If you cuddle, that baby wouldn't have been made. FBI. Whew, whew. We have I was innocent. We have debt. We have one way, and can we just talk? I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.